I'm nervous. I'm gonna take this for the first time. Oh shit, shit! Oh shit! Hey YouTube, what's up? Heading out to San Clemente today. The good thing about San Clemente is that there's gonna be a lot of jumps, so I can at least test the bike on some jumps. I'm out at San Clemente. I'm riding with Kyle and Marcello today. These guys both have their decoys. I'm gonna be riding my Forbidden. The original plan was to hit the steeps, but the trails are closed due to the rain. All my friends that do work on the trails told me that the conditions are just prime, but the issue is that there's rangers out there giving tickets and stuff, so don't want to go out there. I'm super anxious to ride this bike again. I had fun with it at San Juan, but I feel like that wasn't the greatest place to test this bike out. I heard that the trails here are all dry. There's a couple of trails that are wet we're gonna stay off of, but I know the jump line is completely dry. People have been hitting it all weekend, so we're gonna check it out and see how it goes today. All right, first climb. It's not horrible, it's a decent climber, but coming off the Yeti, it's not as good. All right, let me see if I can get up this hill. This is gonna be a good test. I'm at its max. Wow, I'm actually able to make it. Surprise, because I don't think I was able to climb that up with the Yeti. They left me in the dust and they came back to tow me up. Thank you. My bad. All good. Getting double fisted. Never felt so good. First time. Want to go check out the ravine gap and make sure that it's not wet. Don't want to disrespect all the guys that do maintenance here. Oh yeah, it looks good. Definitely good. Sweet. Looks like Judge Judy has dismissed a lot of cases here. Did the lip get washed down a little bit? Or the gap got bigger? The gap kind of looks bigger though. Because I want to say this wall right here, this right here, this is where it was at. Yeah, yeah. You know what I mean? So it's a good another 1.5 to 2 feet longer. My makeshift tripod. Oh yeah, I also put on the TRP levers. These are the limited edition. I think they call them Galaxy. It's a custom paint on it, which is pretty much exactly the same as my frame, so I had to get those. These are dope. Big thanks to Freedom Coast, and of course huge thanks to AMS. I got the frame protection. I have ride wrap here, and I also put the AMS on there, so double protection. It's like wearing 2 condoms. Extra protection, baby. All right guys, ride safe, have fun today. All right. Yeah. All right, they said that the 3-pack jump is muddy, so we're gonna skip that. Oh shit! And this is a car crash. Long caught up. Oh, nice. That's why we skipped that section. Oh yeah. I forgot that was there. What's up guys? Thanks. Oh, these trails are running so good right now. Oh, now I gotta just freaking climb. So this is 76 or Ricky Bobbitt?
This is Ricky Bobbitt.
Okay, Ricky Bobbitt, okay. All right, following Kyle now. This is Ricky Bobbitt. Nice. Oh, I missed out. I got all of them except for the last one. I'm over it. It's good, dude.
Hey, good enough.
Yeah. Hip kind of gap thing over here. So it looks pretty big. It's gonna be my first time as well. Whoa. Yeah, but my bike is not it's not as poppy as the Yeti. I got it, but I kind of like. All right, it's Double Fist Monday. Yeah, look like a high schooler watching some porn under the sheets. Jesus Christ, dude. Kyle's hit the first one. Nice. Whoa, coming into the second one is right away, dude. Looks like I'm gonna boot you in the fucking moon, dude.
It's gonna send you to the fucking marine base.
No, yeah, this gap needs to be longer, I feel, for that lip to be that big. Feels like you're gonna freaking land all the way right here. This is where you're probably landing around the flat. Oh shit! You have to try to go even slow. That's hard, dude. It's a lot of lip, dude.
It's a lot of lip.
Oh. Right? Oh, that's much better. Smooth.
Okay.
Yep. Just take the first one. Oh my god! I went way. I missed the whole transition on the first one, and when I land, I feel like I'm right at the second jump. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take this for the first time. Oh shit! Shit. Oh shit! Shit. Oh. Oh my god!
Nice save!
What the fuck, dude? Holy shit!
Bro! You sent that shit to Pendleton. Pendleton.
Dude, what the fuck? You need a lot of brake, dude.
Yeah, a lot of brake.
This bike saved my ass, dude.
Oh, yeah,
holy
dude.
shit.
You probably clapped your fork out on that.
fuck.
Was your ring all the way to the top
I don't
before?
remember. 2 degrees more with an OTB.
Look where you land.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Fucking A, man.
Fuck.
Well, do it again. Pull your brake.
Yeah, I gotta hit my brakes a lot, dude.
Watch how I brake like after.
Okay. Watch it, Kyle. Okay, brake. Got it. So smooth. That's good. Yeah. Perfect. Fuck yeah. All right, I got this. Hit the brakes a little bit. Oh shit, shit, shit. Fuck, I felt like I hit my brakes, dude. All right, Jobby. You got it. A little bit of speed here. Oh shit. A little better, but still too fast. All right. This might not be here next time, so at least we got it in. Rain is coming in today in 5 or 6 o'clock. All right, Franken beans. Oh, Marcello. Nice. Whoa, these berms are dope. Oh shit, overshot that one. Nice. Woo. Oh, that was close. Nice, a new line. Woo, these berms. Damn, they're building a lot.
Yep.
That is dope.
Ready?
Yep. All right, we're doing Frankenbeans again. This time I'm following Kyle. Oh my God. Kind of overshot that. Oh fuck. Kyle getting stylish. Oh, I haven't seen this one. Should have hit it. I didn't know we were going here. Ah, muddy. Oh, fuck. My chain's off. That's a fucking bummer. My chain came off.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were gonna go for it.
I was like, oh, fuck.
Okay, so we're on a trail called Dia. Oh my God. Oh man. First time on this trail, I don't like the sand stuff. I don't know what's on the other side of it. So far on this bike, jumping wise, it's definitely different than the Yeti. The bike is long, definitely stable, but I feel like the Yeti is a little bit more poppy. All right, now we gotta climb, motherfucker. Again, it's really hard for me to compare two bikes. I need to get this bike on trails that I've ridden a ton of times on the Yeti. I really wanted to hit the steeps today. The perfect place to figure it out. Oh shit. Gotta get this rock for my daughter. Trying to make a decision of what to do with the Yeti. I know a few people hit me up about the Yeti, if I'm gonna sell it, but I'm still not sure. Anybody that's interested, just email me. This is a 25 foot?
This one's 25, that one's 27.
Fuck, so 25 foot step down, 27 foot step up. Here comes Marcello. Oh, ooh. That reminds me of the Snow Valley step up.
Yeah, a little bit, huh?
This is the wind test. Look at that. Here comes Kyle. Whoa, look at this. You hear his jacket? Yeah, I'm good, man.
If I was on an analog bike, I probably wouldn't have tried.
Yeah.
These things don't get blown. So.
Yeah. Well, you both got blown on that bike. These guys are building like crazy. There'll be a little mini bike park here soon. Looks like a step down right there. Gap, huge ladder drop to whatever else is down there. Holy shit. Beer run to Sloppy Seconds. Right, Dave? Nice. I think that's the best one I've done. Oh, kind of slipped out right there. fucking gutter. Oh, this might be muddy. A little bit. Not that bad. Oh, it's good. I hit the two booters the best. That's the last double fish of the day. So final thoughts on the bike. Stoked on it for sure. Kind of bummed that the chain fell off. You know, I got an email from Forbidden and they told me that when they saw my build that it may have problems with the helix because this is a 9-tooth. That is the problem when building like a full custom and picking like different parts and stuff. Sometimes things don't work together that well. The bike can jump. I like it. I definitely need to get used to it. I really can't wait to take this down the steeps and then hit some really gnarly stuff, more technical stuff.
Well, we made the most of it.
That was good.
That was sick.
Yeah, that was still fun though.
Sick.